So what is cold calling?
Well, reason for the call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
Cold calling is basically you're taking some form of list of phone numbers that you think have potential to be the homeowners of a property that has some level of distress. And then you are literally just picking up the phone, dialing their number. You have no introduction to them and you're just straight cold calling. It's called cold because there's no introduction. They don't know who you are. You don't know who they are. You're just picking up the phone, dialing it and calling them and saying, hey, potentially, do you want to sell your house? Introducing yourself and trying to establish contact or some level of rapport. But that's the whole essence of cold calling is there is no rapport to date or to that current time. And you're trying to build it via a phone number or however it may be at the time that you're trying to contact them. But it's cold because you have no introduction between each other.
Also with cold calling, you want to make sure that you get comfortable with this and you can be good at this and you're no longer scared of it, because understand every negotiation, every deal at one point or another is going to end up on the phone. And when you're needing deals, even as you move on from being a wholesaler to a fix and flip buyer or buy and hold buyer, you'll find properties that you need to call, you need to reach out to as a cold lead. And if you're still scared of phones, these are deals that you're letting slip through your fingers. So make sure you get comfortable with cold calling as quickly as possible.